In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Over here. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Dual Messenger. Now you can finally click on the grey switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Select Install in the pop-up and choose Confirm in Disclaimer 1. If you want to use a separate contact list, click on grey switcher at the top. If you don't, select Next and hit OK in Use Your Regular Contacts pop-up. Then just wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you need to go back to the same settings and click on the No Blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!